5-step digital transformation process. Forge a path to sustained excellence through our well-defined digital transformation process. Step 1, Digital Maturity Assessment. Understand your business and industry. Identify challenges, opportunities, and goals. Step 2, Digital Strategy and Planning. Align with business objectives and milestones. Develop a comprehensive transformation strategy. Step 3, Digital Business Implementation. Execute the action plan with experts. Deploy cutting-edge technologies and optimize processes. Step 4, Digital Analytics. Harness the power of advanced analytics. Continually measure the impact of transformation efforts. Step 5, Project Assurance. Monitor outcomes and analyze metrics. Provide ongoing support and identify growth opportunities. Ready to lead your industry with digital transformation? Start your journey today with the right strategy, expert guidance, and scalable solutions. Contact Mobisoft Infotech today.